In this video, I'll show you how to schedule your stories using the Plann app. It's going to be, I'm going to create a story right here on my phone, and then I'll show you the process of scheduling it for Instagram using the Plann app. Over on my YouTube channel, I'm showing you all about how to use the Plann app to make Instagram so much easier. You don't necessarily have to use a video, you can also do a photo, or you can, so you can use a photo as well. Right now, video is just going to be the easiest way to do it. I love video, so we're going to go back and okay, so within the Plann app, we're going to click Stories along the bottom menu and click the plus sign. We're going to choose the device, camera, and we're going to choose these last 3 recordings that we had, okay? It's going to take a little bit longer to upload, but that's okay. We can click on one of these stories, and you can't edit these like you would a regular post, but you have them in here and they're ready, and you can say, okay, remind me to upload this at this time, or if you had several ones that you wanted to rearrange, so you didn't arrange them in the order you wanted, you can press and hold these as well. Move them around. Right now they all look very similar because I just took quick videos from sitting right here. Let's add a couple of these here so you can see a little bit better. I don't remember what I'm saying in these videos, but we're going to move them, and you can see I can do every other one here. So clicking and dragging, and I'm going to delete those though. Delete. Okay. So far only one of them's fully uploaded to the app so far, which does take a while for them to do, which is very understandable. So we're going to click this one and click copy and post. I'm going to click stories. We're going to turn down the volume because I'm going to keep repeating myself on here. But what we'll do is add a sticker and mention. And I think I can mention myself. Okay, so click the sticker. We're going to click mention and grow with lady. So I can tap it to change the different color options. I think we're going to choose more colorful there. And what that does is when someone clicks on it, they'll get taken to my profile. Let's see if we can do. So we're going to take this arrow and we're going to rotate it. It's kind of telling people, okay, this is where you want to click, and it'll take you to the profile that you need for learning more about Instagram. We're going to add to your story. So we click here and we click the Instagram account, and you can see here, it takes us right here. And it takes us to the account that we mentioned in our story. So I think that's really awesome. Check out the link below where I give you free Instagram highlight covers